Hey everyone, welcome back to Coachella. We are back with a big break. Yeah, I know, like after the Diwali break, we didn't came for with any of the video level up series also on a hold. Everything is on hold, but uh, the reason, the circumstances have arrived because there was two major events which happened in between both of them. I will be giving update of both of these like in upcoming days only. Today I will give for one of them, that is Anveshan, the sort of hackathon which we participated. It happened on 26th and 27th of November at Galgotias University, Noida. So we traveled out there, we participated in this, and whatever we have made for this, me and my team, which consists of me and Ananya, Abhinandan, and Anshul. So our team participated in this. The project name is SARAL. I will be showcasing it. And the other thing on which in which we have participated was Smart India Hackathon. That was a bit of a bigger event. In that also we participated. We got selected for the grand finale. We traveled to Bhubaneswar, and then everything happened. I will be giving updates of that also in the upcoming videos. But today, let's talk about it. And from now onwards, I will be starting off and kickstarting the our this level up series again. The break, the reason of this break is like for the hackathons. It is we didn't just participate it in these hackathons and then just let things happen. We participate in this and we want a result out of it, or we can say we want to make a fruitful participation in this. And because of that reason only, we have to work a lot on, like, first of all the in brainstorming, but on what ideas we will be working on. And then after that, a new tech stack only totally which we have to learn. And I will be introducing and talking about that only in the videos of both of the hackathons. So for that reason, we have to spend most of our times there. Along with that, you also know the academics and all those which comes along with these hackathons only. And we are done with this. The break is also over. So now let's like restart our level up series where we left off. I think at day 40 we left. So we'll be starting off with there only, like solving the lead code problems and all. But along with that, in upcoming 1 to 2 days, like today, I will be showcasing you for the Anveshan, and I hope next day or day after tomorrow, I will be showcasing you for the SIH also, like our project, how it works, and showcasing it to you. So today, let's start our video. So firstly, talking about the Anveshan, the project which we came up from there with for this specific hackathon is application, and we named it as SARAL. So what our application usually do is we have to take a problem statement, and problem statement should be by our own only. So I figured out, like, whenever we eat any of the packed foods, there are many things which are written behind it, like there are emulsifiers, there are palm oil, and everything is written behind it, and it is very hard to read and understand all those things. Like, even if you eat a chamanprash, beside, if you just turn around the bottle and see, there are around 100 to 200 ingredients which are written out there, like the jadi booty and all. And along with that, in the simple packets also, like takatak and everything else, they have a numerous number of ingredients inside it. And it is very difficult for a specific person. Like, if I am a diabetic person, it is very difficult for me to simply just understand whatever is written there. And just think about the same problem for someone who is elder, who can't see and he have some problems. And along with that, what if it is in a different language? Because we understand English language, but most of our grandparents doesn't understand English language, and most of these products are like having labels and all those things written in English. So that is the problem statement which we took. So we proposed a Saral application, and how this application will work out is, you just have to click an image of the back of the product. Like, just to give a example only, right now I have a Takatak packet in front of you. If you just turn the packet back, you will be getting an ingredient list which is written there. And there's few apps which are already there which works on the barcode specifically, like barcode which is written behind the Takatak packet. But not all packets have barcodes, and for different quantities, it is not mentioned clearly. And because of that reason only, we work in a totally different way. That is a OCR model, the optical character recognition, which with which what we do is, first of all, you have to click image of the product. So let me show you the application only. Yeah, so this is the application. Right now, this is not in the production stage. Like we are still developing it. There are few more features which need to be added. That's why some of the errors are also there. Once it is done, I will be deploying it and then showcasing you so that you can also use it. I'm using it on regular basis for me just for the testing purpose. But there are few more things which need to be added. Like we need to add a database here for the login and register part, but the functionality part is done and still some tweaks needs to be done, and that we are testing out. So what we proposed is how we can make an application like SARAL, which is present in front of you, which through which you can just click the image of the ingredient list, which is written behind a food packed or packed food. And what it will do is it will like simplify all the things. Like if you have diabetes, you can easily identify if it have sugar, if it have high carbs, if it is high on sodium levels. If you have high blood pressure, you might not need that much sodium on the daily routine, and that's how you can track your things also. Like there are many nutrition apps in our day-to-day life which we use, but how this one will be working off is for every packed food which you will eat, you just need to scan the product, which is the ingredient list which is written behind every single product in our day-to-day life. Click image of it, just scan it with our Sarah app. It will simplify every single thing which is written behind you. So we are not doing something which is out of the world and that you can't do by yourself. Like by using our application only, you can do it. You can do it by yourself. There is a simple process which you have to follow. Just turn a packet. There are around for this taka only. There are 48 ingredients which are written behind it. You just need to go on Google and search for each of the ingredients. 48 ingredients, like for the emulsifier 586 and all those things. Search for each of them and think and just then note it down, like which things are good for you and which things are not good for you, and you are done with it. But how our Serl app helps you out is you just need to click the image. Our model will automatically like figure out all the things which are good in this, which are bad in this, and just put in front of you. Like this have higher sodium levels, so be cautious while consuming it, or it have high sugar levels, and all those things will be presented in front of you. So that's how our application works is the talking about the tech stack and all those things. It is built on the Next.js. Although I can make a detailed video of this, like how this application whole works, but just for the tech stack and the brief description about the technologies which we have used. So Tesseract has been used here for the OCR, optical character recognition. So what we do is simply, once you click the image, the characters which are written inside it, written inside, like the ingredient list, will be taken out, and then our LangChain model, with the help of Gemini 1.5 Flash, it will identify all those things. It will search it, and it will figure out like the ingredients which are written there, like emulsifier XYZ. Is it good for you, or is it bad for you, or is it recommended by the agencies or food agencies, FSSAI, or not? And on basis of that, it will give you a result. So that's how our whole model works out is, although we can make a detailed video out of it, but this is more of a like how we work through it. So I can show you the demo also. Like what you have to do is, first of all, the tech stack, we just went somewhere else. So it is built on Next.js. A Certainty UI framework motion has been used for the AI, for the UI. UI and AI both similar, looks to be sound similar, but so firstly, we have to just uh, go and browse for the image. Let's go for the Maggie, because Maggie is one of the things which we usually consume a lot. So this is just an image which is put in front of you. You just have to click image like this only. Although I will make a live demo also in front of you. Let's go for this only for the first case, and you will have an option of detailed review or just a quick summary. So how this works is, just suppose you are in a supermarket and you have to scan for the hundred of products. You can go for a quick summary. But if you are searching for a single product only, just suppose this case of Maggie only, you can just go for the detailed review, like what all is written there. Please let me understand it. Because if I go like bit inside it, you will understand. You have to understand. You have to like become AI by yourself only just to understand the ingredients. Like okay, refined wheat flour, maida. Just simply write maida, na, the percentage of it, and the palm oil. After that, the thickeners, acidity regulators. You have to search for each of them, and after that, the information like nutritional information is also written in percentage, like per 100 gram. But if here you can see that the things which companies use a lot, if a service 70 grams. Okay, but after that, nutritional information is given in per 100 grams, and that's the confusing thing. The packet is of 52 grams, and the serve is like 70 grams. They are saying, and the nutritional information they're giving in 100 grams. So it is too complex for a simple user to just understand. Like, is it good for me or not? So click on the extract and analyze. It will start the OCR model. And by the way, I will start it. Let's start one more like the live demo of this Takatak packet live in front of you. It also works on mobile. So once it is deployed, you can use it in your mobile also. Just go on our application and search for it. So it will analyze every single thing, the information, the how much calories it will contain, ingredient list. Now just suppose the all the acidity regulators and which they are written here. It will give it like a description about each of them in a like descriptive manner. It is not like just it will mention it and then leave it alone, like food enhancer 635 it is used for everything is written in more a detailed way. Harmful additives which are written here, and it will mention all of these. So if you are allergic for any of them, if you are allergic for, just suppose, I will search for a Milky Bar, the chocolate which we have, and you just suppose you are lactose intolerant. So in that case, if you consume a Milky Bar, you didn't know if it have milk extracts or not, or just leave about Milky Bar. Just take a Kit Kat. Kit Kat has some lactose things inside it. So if you will go for it, if you will eat it directly, if you are lactose intolerant, then you have to search for every single thing like Kit Kat. Is it lactose? It is good for lactose intolerant people or not? And then so on. But in our application, we will be like the upcoming functionalities are these only. Like while doing the login only, you will mention you are diabetic, you are lactose intolerant, or you have high blood sugar level or high blood pressure. And on the basis of that, it will be figuring out for every scanned image, it will be giving a pop-up like it is not good for you. Be cautious while consuming it, and that's how it gives a detailed review about a product. Now let me give you a live demo. So my screen is hopefully shared. Yeah, so my screen is sharing in front of you. So this is my mobile screen. Yeah, let me turn on my mobile camera and let me click a picture of it first of all. The picture, this, yeah, I click the picture. Now let's go to our SARAL application. So I'll let it load first. Mm, yeah, as I said, it is not on the like the it is not usable for you right now. It is in the development phase. That's why we are getting some of that. It happens a lot. So I will take the picture which I clicked just in front of you. It is happening right now. And we will go for the detailed review only and search. Uh, we will go for extract and analyze. It will it will show that first of all the OCR model will try to figure out all the text, all the things which are written here, and then it will be going for the analyzing of the text, analyzing of the data which is written there, and here it is. You will get every single thing like high levels of added sugar and fat, multiple additives which are added there, nutritional information is incomplete out there. For the health also suggested improvements also, it gives conclusion also, it gives. So that's how our model works, and that's how our subtle application works. Once it is done, once it is in production, once it will be usable for all of you, I will be giving you the deployed link. Then you can go and then you can use this application a lot. So that's all for the video. I hope you like it, and for the series also, level up series, we will be continuing it further. And in the next upcoming, we will be showcasing about the SIH. And on my LinkedIn only, I will be giving you the images and all the things which happened in our this Anveshan on LinkedIn. So you can go and check out there also. So thanks for watching.